Welcome back. Right, we're going to move into determining the data type now. Python has very nicely and kindly provided this so-called code or method or function that allows you to determine the data type that you're working with. So type bracket 4, so it will tell you that it's int, an int, and int stands for integer. So what about 4 point? It tells you it's a float. Okay, what about if I have 4 plus 5, what do I actually get? All right, now if it's 9, how do I know what kind of what type or data type is it? So let's just pause for a second. I'm going to ask you to actually try this out, all right, yourself, and what would you do to determine the actual data type of the output of 4 plus 5? Alright, I hope you actually given that a try. So let's just add a line here. How do you add an empty line or empty code line? There is this plus here. Just click that insert a cell. Alright, so if we actually insert the cell and type 4 plus 5, what do we get? Okay, run this and we get int. Okay, so let's just do 4 plus 5 again. So we get 9, so that tells us this is actually an integer. Now, what happened is that the Python using has this so-called underscore variable, which actually store the last result. So you can actually perform further operation on it. So in this case, it's really you take underscore plus 1 and you get 10, which is really adding 1 to the previous answer, which is 9 here. Now you do need to be careful if you are operating with non-integer or non-number, you may get an error message. But the key thing now is just to remember that what this underscore function is, it actually stores the last result in this variable, which will be discarded in the future. All right, that's why it's actually stored in there. But in case you want to use it, in a quite a temporary manner, that's why it's actually there.